What I have here are acoustical panels, 24 by 24 approximately. These are from BUBOS, and this is a certain design. I think Arcadian Vortex is the color. They have other colors, but what's great about these, one is they're very lightweight, so they're not wood. These are superior acoustic performance crafted from high density polyester fibers. These groove patterns here are engineered for sound absorption. So if I check 1 2 1 2, check 2, these things grab that echo right away. They're linear channels that help trap and diffuse sound more effectively, reducing echo and enhancing clarity in your voice or music or whatever have you. These are flame resistant. Again, like I said, they're lightweight on the back. They're just peel and stick. They are flexible. You can see that flex in them. So they're really, really easy to install because they're weightless. So I think that's one of the things. It's a safe and durable material, being flame resistant. You could put up as many as you want on a wall. And they're maintained to hold their shape. So, tool-free installation. So check out BUBOS if you're looking for some type of sound attenuation. This might be a good option for you.